Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of smartphone batteries and uncovering the untold story behind the smartphone battery revolution. In this video, we'll explore how smartphone batteries have evolved over the years, from the early days of limited battery life to the cutting-edge technologies that power our devices today. We'll also discuss the challenges faced by manufacturers and the innovative solutions they've come up with. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the importance of smartphone batteries and how they have revolutionized our daily lives. So let's get started. In the early days of smartphones, battery life was a major concern. Users were lucky if their devices lasted a full day without needing a recharge. This limitation was due to the limited capacity and inefficient technology of early smartphone batteries. However, as the demand for longer battery life grew, manufacturers faced the challenge of developing batteries that could keep up with the increasing power requirements of modern smartphones. This led to the smartphone battery revolution, where companies invested heavily in research and development to create more efficient and long-lasting batteries. Today, we'll explore the untold story behind this revolution and how it has transformed our smartphone experience. Get ready to uncover the challenges, opportunities, and innovations that have shaped the smartphone battery landscape. The early days of smartphones were plagued by limited battery life, with devices barely lasting a full day without needing a recharge. Manufacturers faced the challenge of developing batteries with higher capacity and more efficient technology to meet the growing power requirements of modern smartphones. The smartphone battery revolution has led to the development of innovative solutions such as fast charging, wireless charging, and power-saving features. Companies have invested heavily in research and development to create batteries that are not only long-lasting, but also safe and environmentally friendly. The advancements in smartphone battery technology have transformed our daily lives, allowing us to stay connected and use our devices for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. The smartphone battery revolution has not only improved our daily lives, but also sparked debates about the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. While advancements in battery technology have allowed for longer battery life and faster charging, the increasing demand for smartphones has led to concerns about the depletion of natural resources used in battery manufacturing. Additionally, the disposal of old batteries raises questions about proper recycling and the potential for hazardous waste. How can we strike a balance between technological progress and sustainability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, the smartphone battery revolution has transformed our lives, allowing us to stay connected and use our devices for longer periods. However, it also raises concerns about environmental impact and proper disposal. As we continue to enjoy the benefits of advanced battery technology, it's important to strike a balance between technological progress and sustainability. Remember, by making small changes in our daily lives, such as properly recycling old batteries, we can contribute to a greener future. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.